Hi, my name is Yel. I will say all the Pokemon that I know. Their name is Zubat, Golbat, Crobat, Pikachu, Raichu, Abra, Kadabra, Alakazam, Zygarde, Xerneas, Yveltal, Mewtwo, Mew, Mega Mewtwo X, Mega Mewtwo Y, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur, Totodile, Crocodile, Feraligatr, Chikorita, Bayleef, Meganium, Cyndaquil, Quilava, Typhlosion, Trico, Grovyle, Sceptile, Mudkip, Marshtomp, Swampert, Torchic, Combusken, Blaziken, Froakie, Frogadier, Frogadier, Greninja, Ash Greninja, Fennekin, Braixen, Dalpax, Salvian, Umbreon, Leafeon, Glaceon, Espeon, and then Chespin, Quilladin, Chestnut, Poplio, Veil, Primarina, Registeel, Regigigas, Regirock, Regialpa, Regice, Rayquaza, Kyogre, Groudon. That's all for now. Bye. But I have more than Pokemon that I know than that. Bye. See you later.